Phillips bolt, crack it with your vice grips. You won't be able to do it with a regular screwdriver, so you might as well do it with vice grips right off the bat. What you want to do is you want to pull straight down. Like that. Once you have that out, pull the connector off. Like so. Now you have your fuel pump out and the assembly. With the pump out, you want to pull this top hat off, and then the O-ring. This too. Here's a new fuel pump assembly. Walbro 255, a new filter sock, new base rubber, the new O-ring, new clip that holds the sock, and they give you two little caps. I'm assuming it's because in case you break one. There's a new clip. Okay, once you have your spacer, the O-ring, and the top hat put in, I like to use some professional saliva to lube up the O-ring. You can use grease or lubricant or whatever the fuck you want, but this is special stuff right here. Once you have that in place, I want to plug in your connector first. I'll swap out this for the new one. There's your new pump assembly. Okay, now that you have this in place, carefully put your pump in its place. this point you want to verify that you have the pump in there straight and sealing up against the main gasket, and you want to tighten up your plastic locking ring using a screwdriver, the same method you took it off, a screwdriver and a hammer. Tap it until it feels nice and tight. Make sure you're going in there straight, you don't want to cross thread it. You have your clamps back on, and you want to bend back the piece that you cut up and you used. You want to put it back in position. Have your put your connectors back on, and I recommend leaving this thing off until you start it and verify that there aren't any leaks. Once you see that there are no leaks, you can put the cover plate back on. Underneath the car, you want to verify that the line, the feed line that you pulled off is nice and tight. No leaks. Yeah, I don't see any leaks, so I think we're all set. I haven't even checked the fuel pressure since the install, so I'm going to check it right now. It's a little low. It's at like 39, 38, so we're going to have to raise that up.